Welcome back to Carzo India. Today, we bring you a bike that perfectly combines style, comfort, and simplicity. Yes guys, we're talking about the new Honda Rebel 300 2026. Fire! If you're a beginner or someone looking for a classy cruiser bike, this video is going to be super helpful, so make sure you watch till the end. Eyes. Cinematic bike shots, slow motion. Host. Let's start with the design. The Honda Rebel 300 comes with a minimalistic yet aggressive look. Blacked out body. Low slung profile. Wide tires. Classic bobber styling. This bike doesn't just ride, it grabs attention everywhere. If you want that Harley-style vibe on a budget, this is it. Close-up shots, headlight, tank, exhaust. At the front, you get a round LED headlamp that blends retro style with modern design. The fuel tank looks muscular, and the matte finish gives it a premium feel. And the best part? The low seat height, around 27 inches. That means even shorter riders can handle this bike with ease. Engine plus riding visuals. Now let's talk about performance. This bike comes with 286 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine, around 27 horsepower, 6-speed gearbox, and the biggest highlight of the 2026 model. Fire Honda e-clutch technology. This means you can shift gears without using the clutch. A complete game changer, especially for beginners. 100 points. City riding clips. For city riding, this bike is super smooth. It's lightweight, easy to control, and perfect for traffic conditions. Top speed is around 130 to 140 km per hour. But honestly, this bike is not built for speed. It's built for style and comfort cruising. Comfort shots. Talking about comfort. You get a wide seat, relaxed riding posture, and forward set foot pegs. It gives you a true cruiser experience. It's decent for long rides, but ideally, it's best for city cruising and short trips. Features highlight. Let's check out the features. Digital LCD instrument cluster. Dual channel ABS. Disc brakes. Full LED lighting. Smooth suspension. Simple, clean, and everything you actually need. Mileage graphics. Mileage is also quite good. You can expect around 30 to 35 km per liter, depending on your riding style. So yes, it's practical for daily use as well. Price reveal. Now the big question. Price. Money bag. In the international market, it's priced around $5,300. But in countries like India or Pakistan, it comes via import. So the expected price can go up to 15 to 20 lakh PKR or more, depending on duties. Pros and cons montage. Let's quickly look at the pros and cons. Pros. Beginner friendly. Stylish cruiser design. Comfortable ride. Low seat height. Cons. Not very powerful. Not ideal for long highway touring. Expensive due to import. Final cinematic ride. So, what's the final verdict? If you want a bike that is stylish, easy to ride, comfortable for daily use, then the Honda Rebel 300 is a perfect choice. But if you want more power, you can consider the Rebel 500. Outro. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Carzo India. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, ride safe and stay awesome.